Today I am going to talk about the important questions of second year PBBSc Nursing Introduction to Nursing Administration. This is Akhila. Welcome to Nursing Guru. Long essay. First question A. Define supervision. B. Explain the principles of supervision. Second question A. Define material management. B. Discuss the role of nurse personnel in material management. Third question A. Describe budgeting. B. Explain the principles of budgeting. Fourth question A. Explain the principles of administration. B. How these principles can apply in nursing services administration. Next question A. Define leadership. B. Classify the leadership styles. C. Explain the quality of a leader. Describe the tools used in performing appraisal. Next question A. Define organization. B. Explain principles of organization and discuss the importance of an organization in relation to nursing services. Another question A. Explain the term auditing and types of auditing. B. Describe audit procedure followed in hospital and what are the various factors affecting quality patient care. Next question A. List the steps to prepare the budget. B. Estimate the budget plan for 5-bedded hospital and duties and responsibilities of nursing superintendent in managing nursing care services. Another question A. List down the types of problems in an organization. B. Explain the process of problem solving. Next, explain the importance of policy manual in organization and explain the different types of patient assessment with its merits and demerits. Another question A. List down the types of hospitals. B. Explain the steps involved in starting 100-bedded general hospital and explain the factors influencing good ward management. Now we will move to the short essay questions. Each question carries 5 marks. On that, you will get the questions like concept of cost effectiveness, management of disciplinary, problems among staff, recording and reporting, leadership development, types of supervision, discuss about ABC analysis, guidelines for preparation of job description. Explain group dynamics, significant and elements of administration, factors influencing quality patient care. What is supervision? Write the principles of supervision. Next, describe the leadership style, explain the method of reporting, how to maintain public relation as a public relation officer of a hospital. Next, what are the qualities of a good manager? Another question, how will you recruit and select the staff nurses for maternity unit and policies of the hospital, personal management, orientation program, records maintained in College of Nursing as per INC norms, principles of maternal management, legal responsibility, organization behavior, responsibility of a ward nurse, staff development program, performance appraisal, prevention of accidents and infection in hospital, setting nursing standards, formal and informal communication, principles of administration, responsibility of a nurse in medico-legal aspects, management techniques, safety measures in hospitals, factors responsible for good human relation, job analysis, PERT, program evaluation review technique. So these are the short essay type questions. Now we will move to the last section of questions, short answers. On that you will get questions like promotion, define in-service education, malpractice, job ranking, define planning, skill training, therapeutic environment, define staff development, nursing audit, difference between job description and job analysis. What are the elements of administration? Steps in problem solving process, types of communication, write the steps in problem solving process, meaning of staffing, define discipline, negligence, outpatient department, induction training, time planning, safekeeping, inventory, group dynamics, functions of hospital. So in this video, I have explained the long essay, short essay and short answer type questions. If you are working on all the questions, I can make sure that you can score better. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you are having any doubts, drop a message on the comment box.